Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're all here. Today, we are going to do a skiff upgrade on my Liong Mah K.U.F 3.0. I've never opened up. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it won't be a struggle bus video. But before we get started, I want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all. See if I can straighten my camera. Not really. And thank you to anybody coming in to check out the knife, the EDC content. I appreciate it. I hope these disassembly videos are somehow helpful. If you guys haven't had the chance yet and you really want to help me out, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, I'd really appreciate it. So, the Liong Mah K.U.F 3.0 Kitchen Utility Folder. So, what's odd is it only has 2 screws on this side, but it has 3 on this side. So what I'm going to do is go at it from the show side, if I can. This is that monoblock construction, so I took the field do. This may be a stop pin. I don't know what this is going to be, but I'm going to keep this screw separate. Put it right there. Alright, let's try our pivot. It is not a captive pivot. But it did come out. Alright. Alright guys, so we have got now our 3 hardware screws out, our G10 frame, but let's see. Take that clip screw. See if I can get this thing to pop apart. Hold on guys, let me grab my little prior. There we go. It's just kind of stuck on that. There we go. Let's just press fit in there. Alright, so now we've got our washer, which we will flip into our, we have our some bearings that we're getting ready to measure. And see, they've got them facing in towards the blade, oddly enough. Alright, so let's do this. Let's get our see if we can get that to come up. And flip that. Alright, so now we've got to determine what size bearings we've got. And they are not 3/16, they are 1/16. And we've got a 5mm pivot. So 5mm 1/16 should be our recipe. So now I'm going to get the KPL original. I'm going to find a set of 5mm 1/16 right here. And we'll look at them compared to the bearings that we're replacing them with. but there is an 11 ball skiff next to a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a 9 ball pressed bearing. I don't know if you can see that racetrack that encompasses those bearings, as opposed to the skiff that's solid. Anyway, I'm a huge fan of skiffs. If you guys go to the skiff site and buy skiffs, if you want skiffs, and use the code Javon10, you will save 10%. I believe it's 10% on your order. I just always put it in and I always save a few bucks. Bearings are right under 13 bucks. Some of them are right under 12 bucks, I think. It's depending on the size and the ones you're getting. All right. So I'm going to take a little KPL. I'm going to condition my bearing with a little more KPL. Boom, 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 boom. My blade. Let's see my pivot. It's gonna go right there. Just gonna leave that for that. Perfect. Just looking at something, guys. All right. So now we are going to take another drop of KPL. I'm going to condition my bearing. A little more KPL. Just kind of get it all over it. And then I'm going to get my KPL heavy. For that detent ball. And now the trick is getting the pivot, the lanyard hole, all these things lined up. That is good. I want that like that. So I want that in there. Slide down into there. But it's not snapping in. I missed that front little doodad, which is okay because this is the tolerances are so tight, which is good, that I've just got to make sure that I get it all to sit in there all at once. So I'm going to hit that. Hit that. There we go. All right, let's set our pivot. Bang. This front body screw was right here, right? I think it was. And then we had our back body screw. And then we had our clip screw. That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Dead nuts. No side to side. Guys, I think that is a successful skiff upgrade on our Liong Mah K.U.F 3.0. She's dead nut centered. No blade play. Drop shut action. I think we got a win, guys. That is a skiff upgrade on our Liong Mah K.U.F 3.0. We've now gotten our field duty EDC and our K.U.F 3.0 skiffed up. This is my G10 version, one of my first grails, and I love these knives. Liong Mahs are some of my faves. But anyways, guys, get good screw. Joe Isabella, be up always. Skiff bearings, great company. I will leave a link for them, for KPL. Good lube, love it. But guys, I appreciate you watching. Always ask and would hope that you would look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. And please, choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.